Milani is becoming one of my very favorite drugstore makeup brands. I love so many things that they make. Their blush is one of my favorites. I'm going to show you what I like about it, and I'm going to show you how I apply it. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel our very best. We're not 20 anymore. We're not 30 anymore. We're not trying to look or dress or act like our daughters, granddaughters. We just want to be happy where we are right now. And our makeup is a little different now. Our application has to be a little bit different. And so I'm going to show you how I apply this blush. I am loving so many things from Milani. I love this blush. I don't have blush on right now. All I have on, I have all of my makeup on up to the blush. I even put on contour. You can check out my contour video. I'll leave you a link for that. But I'm going to show you how I apply blush. And this Milani blush is beautiful. The one that I like is called Bella Bellini. It's number 12. And the reason that I like this baked powder blush is because there are so many colors in it. And so I find that we tend to gravitate towards certain colors, but they may not be exactly right for us. And so with so many of these baked blushes, baked powder products, what I find is there are variations of color in them. So they're very, very forgiving. So I want you to play around with different colors, kind of try to get your blush and your lip color to be in the same color family so that they complement each other, and ask a friend. Make sure the color that you're using complements you, just makes people want to tell you how wonderful you look today, makes people want to tell you that you look beautiful. Ask a friend to help you and tell you whether or not the colors you're wearing are beautiful, but definitely try the Milani baked powder blush. I think you'll like it, and I think you'll find a color that's beautiful. So let me show you how I apply it. I'll leave a link to this blush below. I'll also link a couple of the other products that I am loving from Milani. So many great things. But you know, it's like any other makeup brand. Some things are just hit or miss, but I love this baked powder blush. Like I said, it's number 12. It's Bella Bellini. I love it because there are so many other different color variations in this compact. I love it. So I've already put on my contour. Again, I will link the video so you can watch me put contour on. And because my contour is already on, with contour, I'm going to go above where we used to think we would contour 20 years ago, because gravity is kind of taking over now. So I contoured right here, and now my blush, I want it to be just above that. And I want to center my blush right in the center of my eye, because I want that blush to be closer to my eye now to give myself a little bit more color in my face. You know, our face is not only falling a little bit, gravity is taking over, but we're a lot more pale than we used to be. So I want that color a little bit closer to my eyes, so it'll be a much more complementary. And if we put blush where we used to 20, 30 years ago, it's going to be way down here, and it's going to age us so much more. So I need to aim a little bit further. So my contour is about right here, and I want my blush to be about right here. So I'm going to show you how I wear it. I would love to know if you're finding some great makeup, skincare, hair care products at the drugstore. If you are, leave me a comment below. I would love to know your suggestions, some fun things that I need to check out, maybe I've never tried before. So I'm going to take my blush, and I'm going to center it right below my eye, right here, and I'm going to move back. Now I'm also going to go on my forehead. And you know, if you've been here before, you know I'm not big on eyeshadow. I just don't want to do one more thing. So I don't spend a lot of time on eyeshadow. So what I do is I take my blush a lot of times and go right over my eye just to give myself just a little bit more color. Center of my forehead, my nose. Like I said, right up closer to my eye, maybe a little on the chin, and I'm done. So you don't have to spend a whole lot of money on blush. I'm going to leave you a link to this one below in the description, but it also doesn't have to be super complicated. Just remember, since we're losing color in our face and gravity's kind of taking over, aim a little bit further up than what you used to 20 or 30 years ago. That's where you're going to find that sweet spot. Right there in the center of your eye, and then go back and up, back and up. Center of your eye, back and up, and then give you just a little bit more color in different places of your face, just to bring back so much more life and so much more color. If you enjoyed this, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram and say hi. I have a lot of fun over there. I would love to have you join me. Can't wait to see you next time, so go out today and be blessed and do your best.